Hi, this is Mato. Welcome to my online chess lecture. In this video I will show you a game between Ramirez and Hasford. This is a game from Chess Olympiad, played in Batumi, Georgia in 2018. Ramirez had white pieces and he started with e4. Hasford played d6, d4, knight to f6, knight to c3, g6, the Pirc defense, maybe. Bishop to g5, bishop to g7, queen to d2, a6, Ramirez castled queenside and Hasford castled kingside. Bishop to h6, intending to exchange dark square bishops, naturally. Knight from b to d7, h4, intending to open the h-file. c5, attacking white center, bishop takes on g7, king takes on g7, white to move. What is the best move for white? Ramirez played e5, attacking the knight, which is the defender of h5 square. Knight to g8, let's take it back. Is pawn takes pawn on e5 a better move? If d takes on e5, d takes on e5, and black is advised not to capture the pawn on e5 with the knight. If knight takes on e5, queen takes queen, rook takes queen, rook takes rook, winning a piece. Back to our game. After e5 we have knight to g8, e takes on d6, e takes on d6, h5, queen to f6, knight to f3, rook to e8, white to move and to play the obvious. What is the obvious move for white in this position? Knight to d5, attacking the queen and threatening knight to c7, forking two rooks. Queen to d8, d takes on c5, d takes on c5, queen to f4. White is standing better. Rook to f8, h takes on g6, and now f takes on g6, attacking the queen. What is the best square for the queen? What would you do? This is the most interesting moment of the game. Please pause and find the best move for white. Did you pause? What did you find? Ramirez played rook takes on h7. Check. Kaboom. The rook sacrifice for the king hunt. Will it work? King takes rook. What is the follow-up? Knight to g5 check. Black to move. Black is in trouble. Queen takes on g5 was played. What else? If king goes to g7, then knight to e6 check, and after king to h7 first check, and after knight to h6, knight takes queen. And what else? If king goes to h8, then queen to h4 check, and after knight to h6, queen takes knight, check, king to g8, queen to h7 checkmate. Back to our game. So, to stop the checkmate, Hasford captured the knight with the queen, and he has two pieces for the queen, but his king is still not safe. That is the problem. Rook to f5, attacking the queen, queen to h4 check, king to g7. If rook to h5, then probably queen to d8. We have king to g7, knight to c7, attacking the rook, rook to b8, knight to e8, check, king to f8, attacking the knight. What is the best square for the knight? What would you do? Please pause and find the best move for white. White played the move, and black designed, and the move is queen to d8. Black designed, one line goes like this. Let's say knight to h6. Knight to d6, discovered, check. King to g7. Knight takes on f5 check. Knight takes knight. Rook takes on d7 check. Bishop takes on d7. Queen takes rook. And I guess we can stop here. And let's go back to this very interesting moment of the game. This is the position. Did you find the killer move? Perhaps you found knight to g5. This is also a very cool move. And if black takes the queen, he gets in trouble. What do you think of this game? And that is all. I hope that you enjoyed watching this video. I wish you good luck with your chess, and bye for now.